Hi and good evening, and a very happy Republic Day to each and every viewer out here. आज मैं यहाँ पे गणतंत्र दिवस के बारे में डिस्कस करने नहीं आया हूँ, बल्कि कुछ ऐसे विषयों के बारे में बात करने आया हूँ जो पिछले कुछ दिनों में मैंने देखे हैं, पढ़े हैं एंड समझने की कोशिश की है. राइट? सो it is not about the constitutional rights, it is not about anything in fact, but humanity. In a nation which talks about unity in diversity, which talks about humanity, which talks about and is culturally rich in these particular elements, is suddenly found wanting all these things on an ASAP basis. Right? Why am I speaking about this? Is simple. In the last few months also, if you must have seen, there have been updates from different corners of the country where fathers have been in limelight. Not for good reasons, but bad. Irrespective of the age, the girl child has to bear the brunt of the expectations. An IIT JEE preparing student was smashed, in fact, in a way, just because the mock results were not up to the mark. Very recently, in one of the other states, a father who was teaching his 4-year-old daughter was very angry, very madly angry, just because the child was not able to write 1 to 50 correctly. 1 to 50, a 4-year-old means नर्सरी कंप्लीट हुआ, चौथे साल की बच्ची, लोअर केजी में अब शायद दाखला हुआ होगा या फिर होने वाला होगा. शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू राइट 1 to 50 एंड उसको सुधारने के चक्कर में फादर ने ऐसे पनिश किया कि वो बच्ची आज दुनिया में ही नहीं रही. राइट? एंड येट अनदर इंसिडेंट विच आई वॉज going through, a father threw his 18 months old daughter into a river just because she was a daughter. Question is, what is exactly happening? Where are we heading as a society? Internationally, yes, we have a very good image. हम लोग प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं. But internally, where are we? The same tragedy continues that okay, boys वंश को आगे बढ़ाएंगे तो उनको इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाए. गर्ल्स को आज भी हम लोग उसी नज़र से देख रहे हैं कि लाइक दे आर अ बर्डन समवेयर. आई डोंट नो, मीन्स लाइक और कितनी शिक्षा चाहिए और कितना प्रमोशन चाहिए बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ और ऐसे बाकी अन्य मूवमेंट्स के, कि एक ज्ञानोदय हो कि भाई लड़का हो या लड़की दोनों एक समान है. राइट? दैट इज़ वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. सेकेंड थिंग इज द ईगरनेस एंड द speed with which the parents want their children to become absolutely a genius is frightening enough. 1 to 50 नहीं आता, बच्चे को आपने इतनी पिटाई की कि the child died. Similarly, pre-primary students 1 and 2 graders are pushed to go to coaching classes. This is insane. The only question which I want you people to focus on is what exactly are you doing? Change the behavior and change your attitude towards the children. That's all.